How to claim Facebook groups without admin. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can claim ownership of a Facebook group without needing admin approval or having admin access. So first of all, you need to open your Facebook or Facebook Lite application on your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. You also need to make sure that your Facebook application is up to date. And after that, once you're in the home page, go to the group section. Now search for the group that you want to claim. Now you'll see the options to leave group and join group. And if the certain group do not have any admins, you can go ahead and tap on the three dots in the top right corner, and there you'll see the option of manage content or group settings. Moreover, you can also click on the members, and whether the group is public, you can see all the photos and details. There will also be a member profile option where you can find more information about the group, and you can also manage the content from this group. So that's all for this video. This is how you can exactly claim Facebook groups without admin or without any manager. So if you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.